another Linux out of the box, and this is, I can't pronounce this, Garuda OS, Arch-based distribution. Same machine as ever. So 9060 XT, and we'll give this a go. I don't know a lot about this. I mean, it's sort of like Arch-based. It looks great. It looks like they do. Have a look on the website. There's loads of distributions, so all the different interfaces, ready to go for you. KDE, all this. But realistically, what we're doing is we're doing it from a Windows Mac type user perspective, where I punch the buttons and it goes in and I start to play games or do word processing. So here we go. What does it say there? Immediate confusion. What would I, open source if I've got AMD. Okay. And then let's see what it does. Well, this is the main exercise here. It's like, the idea is if you were Windows or Mac and you were trying to get over to Linux, what would you choose? And what would fulfill it? So normally on all of these, I install OBS, word processing. We're starting to do AI on it as well. Recently, try Resolve if I've got written an installer, because Resolve's a nightmare to install and everything. There's lots of, I'm trying to make it simple for people. And then Steam and play a game. And those are the key things. If you pull that off, then you pass the test, really. I mean, I've had some real disasters. Oh, this is nice. What's this? That's a really nice installer. Keep your system settings. That's really clear. Boot tools, diagnostics, and a nice, that's a nice installer. Okay. The winning points here. American English. Where's English? Well, there it is. No, it's English, actually. Next. Keyboard. Okay, cool. And I'm going to wipe it. I'm doing this to an external drive, an SSD, so I'll just wipe it and put that on there. Yeah, and you can see at the top it says the name of the thing. Name my machine. It's like very similar to Catchy, I think. It's open. It's not really like OpenSUSE. So there it was laid out. It's really cool. And install. Okay, so we're getting this screen going on in the background. Choosing Garuda Linux. Yeah, it's picked up my external USB key there in the background, so I think he bounced some down. Make sure you check out applications such as Garuda Assistant. It's pretty cool. Garuda Gamer for games related tasks. They seem to know what they're doing. Yeah, so I mean, what are you going to do on these machines? So automated additional tasks like installing NVIDIA drivers. There you go. That's good. I mean, you want to play games, do some word processing, use AI to do your homework, whatever. But it's just got to be easy to do. So the main criteria is easy installation, isn't it? And easy to install your software. You don't want to be dicking around with terminal ever. So the moment you start to jump into terminal, your Linux is, it's sort of failed, because to install anything on either Mac or Windows for general use, you don't need to do anything clever. So they just get that right. I mean, the main one they fall down on Linux is the stores to get your software in. SE Linux on Fedora and Red Hat, all that, it's just a disaster zone because it's secure. What is it? Security enhanced Linux. You have to install packages to allow you to play games. No good. If they told you that at the beginning, nice, but they don't. So you end up probably being very frustrated. But there's some great distros out there. I mean, Catchy's great. OpenSUSE, that's great. Tumbleweed. Bazai, Chimera, which I've just done. That was a surprise. Pure simplicity and did the job. So yeah, so there's some good ones out there. Mint's good on old machines. I haven't done Mint yet. I'm dreading it because I like Mint, and I bet you it won't work on this 9060 XT. So some other ones like Zorin, that didn't work. But there are some really good installs out there, and it's really down to really simple stuff and making it simple. Stop saying root, just say admin. We all know what that mode is. We don't know what root means. Real simple stuff. This looks great though. I hope, this looks really good. So I'm interested to play with this. Icons are fun. Okay, I don't recognise them. I think that's terminal. You see terminal next to the hawk head. Okay, restart now. and let's just get on and have a look at what this does. Okay, wait for the reboot. Come on, you can do it, computer. There we are. Garuda Linux, yep, okay. Initializing RAM disk. And we wait. The black screens are pretty... I hate black screens. Do you know what I mean? They're just like, you don't know what's going to happen. So I try and always do these in real time, unless it's an install. Because there could be... If it's an install, then you can speak to them. You can see what's going on. But the black screens, that's not great. Actually, this has gone on a long time, isn't it? I may need to reboot this to see what's going on. Give it another minute, maybe, and just reset. Oh, that's annoying, isn't it? It looked great as well. That's so annoying. That's a really funky, cyberpunky electron neon interface there that I won't be able to play with. But it looked good. I mean, it's like Catchy has a terrible installation system for software. That looked like they'd nailed it. Manjaro, which is another Arch distribution, that's got a good installation thing. Yeah, that's balked. Oh, I'm rebooting. Let's give it another go. You know, I'm not going to do anything extra. I'm not going to fiddle. I'm not going to play with change kernels, because that's not what anybody from Windows and Mac can have. You just literally install it and you get on with it. And that's not working. That's really annoying. That looked really good. Oh, man. Anyway, that's a shame. But there you go. That's how this works, isn't it, really? I just want to install it and use it. And I'm sure this is a brilliant OS working on the right machine, but this isn't that machine. But then, you know, it's a bit of a Linux distro roulette, isn't it, sometimes with hardware? Anyway, thanks for watching.